Hey everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you tonight with the winners for my FP Handmade's 10th year anniversary celebration video scavenger hunt. The winners. So this has been 10 fun videos, I think, for me, and I hope they've been fun for you to find the answers, email them to me, and then wait to see if you won each week. I have totally enjoyed myself, and without further ado, I am going to do the drawing for the prizes. So let's see who's entered in to win. I was reaching for something in my desk, sorry. So first up is Damaris. Thank you so much, Damaris, for supporting my channel and always commenting on my videos. I really do appreciate it. Thank you. So Damaris goes into the drawing basket. That's the cutest little basket. Jennifer M. Thanks, Jennifer, for your comments on the answers that you provided. I really do appreciate it. Really do thank you for joining the fun. And then we have Roseanne. Roseanne H., you have been a supporter of mine for several years. I appreciate you watching, commenting, giving me thumbs up. You don't know how much that means to me. Thank you. And then we have Barbie, and I believe Barbie is one of my newer subscribers. Welcome, Barb, again, if I didn't say it initially when you joined my little tiny family here. Hope you enjoyed the challenge as much as I did. So let's put Barb's name in the basket too. The drawing basket. Hey, Melissa, you're up next. Thank you, Melissa. You're an awesome crafter, as all of you are, but thank you for supporting my channel, and hope to see you commenting and thumbs upping, no doubt, for many years to come. And I'll be doing the same for you. Thanks, Melissa. Then we have Gail B. Hey, Gail. I have been enjoying your channel. I think I've one of my newer subscribers, I believe. I've been watching your channel for a while and enjoy the way you craft, and I think you have my favorite thumbnail picture for your channel. Super cute. Thank you, Gail B. Tina C., thank you for your hauls that you share, and then all that you do for the crafters here who aren't able to go to some of the sales that you go to. So your D-stashes are awesome. Sometimes I get mad because the D-stashes all say sold by the time I see them, but it's all good. I've bought a couple and I've been very satisfied with it. And then of course we can't stop saying good things about your coloring, which I think is just off the charts good. Thanks, Tina. Then we have Cindy N, and Cindy is another newer subscriber. Welcome again, Cindy, if I didn't say it the first time. Thanks for commenting and joining this challenge, and I really think everyone had fun with this, and I hope you did too, Cindy. Thank you. Lisa O, thank you so much, Lisa, for being one of my supporters, like you all are, because you joined this challenge. Love looking at your comments, and when you give me that little extra comment, I really do appreciate it. You're an awesome crafter, like everyone else. But keep on going, Lisa. I'm enjoying your channel. Then we have Diane W. Oh, Diane W. Diane, you know I don't need to say anything to you. You're my friend for years. You have been my friend, and to finally find out that you like crafting once I moved away from where we lived, I think it's kind of hilarious that now you're into this world and can join me. Miss you so much, Diane. That's my buddy, Diane. and Christian R, another newer crafter to my channel. Not new crafter, but new to my channel. Christian, I've been watching your videos, and I think you're great. You have a really nice voice. I enjoy watching them. Thank you so much for joining my little celebration. So here we go. So to all of you, thank you again. I can't tell you how I was kind of hesitant about doing this challenge, and you know, I wanted to do something outside the box, and I didn't want you to have to mail me anything. One of the things that I've noticed as crafters, when you say mail you something and no need for extras, and then everybody sends extras, I didn't want anyone to have to do that. I felt obligated to send anything extra. So I thought, hey, why not just let it be just awesome fun without you worrying about going to the post office each week. All right. So we're going to draw the third place prize. God, I can't talk. I've been talking all day, guys. All day. So I'm actually posting this, making this video super late. So here we go. Third place winner. Can I be more dramatic? Melissa M. Congratulations, Melissa. You are the third place winner. Let me write it on here, like make it official. Melissa M. Third place. Awesome. Congratulations, Melissa. And I hope you all saw the video with the prizes. And I hope you like the prizes. Everything that I'm giving out is something that I like. Other than the scrapbook free one with the little dog or whatever that is. That just wasn't my jam. That's why I included kind of like just as a freebie. I know it was a freebie from scrapbook.com. That's on the grand prize. Okay, this is for second place. Second place winner, Roseanne H. Second place winner, Roseanne. All right, Roseanne, congratulations. All right, now for the box of goodies. Here we go. First place or the grand prize winner is, got it in my hand. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. And the winner is, oh man, I can't get it open. Lisa, oh, congratulations, Lisa. You are the grand prize winner. Alrighty, so if you three ladies, I have all of your addresses, matter of fact. So there's really no need to send them to me. If you just want to send them to me again, I'd appreciate it. You know how you can get a lot of emails, and I'm not the best at saving my emails. So first place prize, Lisa, or the grand prize. Roseanne, second place prize. And then Melissa, the third place prize. Congratulations, you guys. And I hope to see you all in the next video. And thanks again. Bye-bye.